Welcome to my Module 17 Data Protocol. On my Data Protocol graphic, I have 5 phases listed. It starts with activating and engaging, moves to Go Visual, then to exploring and discovering, followed by organizing and integrating, and ending with the action plan. At the top of my Data Protocol, I've listed the 4 types of data to emphasize each one's importance. On the second page of my graphic, we dig a little deeper into the data protocol. Number 1, activating and engaging. We're going to make predictions. What are we expecting to see? We're going to pose questions to be answered by the data. Step 2 is Go Visual. We're going to collect and display printed reports, create other visuals to make data more plain and clear. Number 3, we're going to explore and discover. We're going to study the data and record the facts. We're going to note strengths, weaknesses, trends, and important points. Number 4, organizing and integrating. Do we need more data? We're going to pose solutions. We're going to identify data needed to monitor implementation of solutions. And number 5 is the action plan. Set specific goals for intervention. Determine how to monitor progress towards the goals, and determine how we will know when we have met each goal. In the following slides, I'm going to pose questions to consider when we go through each phase. Phase 1, we need to ask ourselves, what are my predictions? What are my assumptions? What questions are we asking? What are some possibilities for learning that this data may present? In Phase 2, Go Visual. What important data should be highlighted? How can we show trends? Do I understand this chart? How can we better display the data so it is easily understood? Number 3, exploring and discovering. What are some strengths? What are some important points that we notice? What patterns or trends do we notice? What are some areas we need to see improvements? Number 4, organizing and integrating. What data is missing? What additional data needs collected? What supports do we need, such as curriculum, teacher preparation, etc.? Number 5, the action plan. What are our goals for the interventions we have selected? How will we monitor our progress in order to reach our goals? How will we know when we have reached our goal? Who is in charge of implementing and monitoring interventions? This is a graphic organizer that I made for teachers to write on during data talks. Why have a data protocol? They are in place to make sure data analysis is taking place, to keep the meeting structured, organized, on pace, and on task, to enable collaboration, secure time for teachers to crunch data and create plans for improvement, give teachers a voice about what they are seeing, and ensure continuous growth. Data analysis should not be about just gathering data. It is very easy to get analysis paralysis by spending time pulling data together and not spending time using the data. Thank you for watching my data protocol presentation.